The casket story in Merchant of Venice plays a pivotal part as it leads to the Bond story and the Ring story. Portia's late father devised the casket test as a way to keep gold diggers away from his daughter. He knew that a young lady of such extraordinary intelligence and beauty, not to mention a generous inheritance, would attract many suitors. So he had devised a lottery by which she would marry the suitor who chooses correctly from the three caskets made of gold, silver, and lead. If the suitors chose the wrong casket, they had to take an oath not to marry anyone else. What is the significance of the lottery of caskets? It is the test of character. The choice of a particular casket reveals the mind of the chooser with reference to love. The three caskets, gold, silver, and lead, are the major symbols in the play. Gold stands for worldly riches, which leads to misery and ends in death. Silver, though precious, is not as luxurious as gold. It symbolizes a more cautious greed. Lead, which is a very humble metal, seems to symbolize inner beauty and modesty. The three caskets in The Merchant of Venice represent three different attitudes to life. The gold casket represents shallow materialism. The silver casket represents a belief that surface appearances are what really matter. And the lead casket represents an awareness that what's on the inside is much more valuable than what's on the outside. The casket plot begins with Bassanio wanting to marry Portia. He asks Antonio for money so he can impress her. Antonio obliges Bassanio and he sets out on his merry way. In the meantime, two suitors come to seek the hand of Portia. The Prince of Morocco and the Prince of Aragon learn of Portia's father's will. It states that the suitors must pick one of the three caskets, gold, silver, or lead. If they choose rightly, then they get to marry Portia. But if they choose wrong, they must leave immediately and cannot woo another woman ever again. Morocco chooses first. He reads the inscriptions on the casket and finds that the inscription on the golden casket appeals to him. The golden casket declares, "Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire." He figures that many men desire Portia, but unfortunately he receives a skull symbolizing that he is wrong. Then the Prince of Aragon tries his luck. He reads the gold casket but does not want to be grouped with the ordinary men. He instead chooses the silver casket, which declares, "Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves." He believes he deserves Portia, but he too is wrong. He receives a picture of a blinking fool and is called a loser. Finally, Bassanio arrives at the palace. He is immediately drawn to the casket, which is made of lead, which says, "He who chooseth me must hazard all he hath." Bassanio then finds a vice masked by a virtue in beauty, war, religion, and law. He then applies this to the caskets. He chooses the lead casket, which contains a picture of Portia, so beautiful that he barely recognizes her. Everyone is delighted, and Portia gives Bassanio a ring symbolizing their love, which now introduces the ring plot. "Who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire," is the inscription written on the golden casket. Morocco is convinced that he truly deserves Portia. He says he deserves her in birth, maybe because of his royalty of nature. He deserves in fortune, in graces, and in qualities of breeding. Above all, more than these, he claims he deserves her because he loves her. He rejects the silver casket because he refuses to believe that Portia's father would immure a portrait of his treasured daughter in a metal 10 times undervalued as tried gold. Morocco reviews the inscriptions again and rejects the lead casket as being not worth the high stakes for which he gambles. The prince reasons that a portrait of Portia, a mortal breathing saint, a woman whom all the world desires, could only be within the golden casket. But unfortunately, on opening, Morocco is highly disheartened as he finds a carrion death. After the departure of Morocco, Prince of Aragon comes to try his luck. Reviewing the inscriptions, the Prince of Aragon rejects the lead casket immediately because he thinks it is not beautiful enough to give and risk all his possessions for. He also rejects the gold casket because what many men desire may place him on the same level with the barbarous multitudes. He thus chooses the silver casket, which bears the inscription, "Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves." Aragon reviews his worth and decides that he will assume desert, that is, he feels that he rightly deserves Portia. When he opens the silver casket, he finds within it the portrait of a blinking idiot, a picture of a fool's head. Before Bassanio tries his luck, Portia pleads him to buy some time so that he does not make a wrong choice. But Bassanio is impatient and cannot bear the torture of waiting any longer. He proceeds to read the inscriptions on the 3 caskets. He refuses the gold casket because he knows that all that glitters is not gold, and it is a hard food for Midas. The pleasing outward appearance may hide something ugly within. He also refuses silver, calling it a common drudge between man and man, as coins are, serving every man's need like a slave. He chooses the lead casket because it does not make any pretension. He knows that true worth lies inside. It is bred in the heart and not in the head. Bassanio finds the portrait of Portia on opening the lead casket and wins her. Both Portia and Bassanio are overjoyed and dumbfounded.